Top tips about how to make money online that anyone can follow. Making money online today is something that a lot of people consider doing because who wouldn't want to work from the comfort of your own home? If you desire to make a little extra cash online, or maybe one day earn a full-time income, then the following video was written for people like you. Continue on for solid tips on making money online. Writers can make some money on sites such as InfoBarrel or Squidoo. You can write about whatever you want on these sites and get a portion of the revenue your content generates. Additionally, you can also use Amazon's affiliate program to increase your earning potential. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Now more than ever people make money online, and since you just came across a great video with excellent tips about the subject, it is your time to cash in. With these tips that you just read, use them wisely to help yourself gain a foothold in the internet cash-making marketplace. Keep learning, and always look for new ways to generate money online. Student loan.